Okay, so we need to display the table here. But before displaying the table, we need to get the data to our component, isn't it? It is in the service file. So we have to bring that data here. Okay, so let's import the mail service here first, and then we can start using it. So what do I write here? So the mail service, okay, we'll name it mail service only. No need to worry. So mail service is of type mail service. Okay, and then we need to have a property called inbox mails, isn't it? So in the ng on init, what I'll do is I'll just make this inbox mails is equal to this dot mail service dot inbox mails. Okay, that's it. So okay, fine. Now the data is here. Now we can use this data directly in our what it is called component. That means in the HTML. Okay, in the table. So I'll just create a table. So what is this? This is the inbox. Okay, fine. It will be inside this. So what I do, so I'll make a table. So let's say I create a div. Inside this div, I'll just give a class. Maybe mails something. Okay, and I want to have a flag here. For what? Actually, to hide it when it is not visible. So NgIf is equal to, I'll put a flag like show table. Okay, so we'll see that later on, but now let's create the table. So table, in table I need to give some border equal to 1. The table and have tr inside tr I'll have some th. So this emails are having some from, then subject name, and then receive date. Okay, so these three things I want to show in the table. So in this tr I just write th I just write from. Here I write subject name, and here I write a received date. Okay, now the next tr, that means this one we need to repeat for every email, isn't it? So I'll write star NgFor is equal to let mail of inbox mails. Okay, so inside this tr what we will have, we'll have these tds. So first td will be something like, we have the mail, so mail dot from, that means this thing, mail dot from, mail dot subject name, mail dot receive date. These are the three things we want. So mail dot from, mail dot subject name, and mail dot received date. Okay, and this show table I'll just put it in the ts file as a flag. Okay, so I'll put it here. So table is of type boolean, which is equal to false initially, but once this data comes, we have to make it true. Okay, so where do I make it true? So what I can do is I want to place it here. When I click on the buttons, only then the show table should be true. So show table is equal to true, and I'll just repeat this for all the things. Okay, so now we can see something happened. What is the error? Okay, so mail service I have to import it in the app module. Okay, so for this providers array mail service. Okay, so now when I click on project team, the table is coming HR team, all these things. Okay, but if you see initially the table is there is no table. So what I can do is I can call this show project team in the beginning. So what will happen then? By default this show project team will be called and the table will be displayed by default. Okay, by default project team emails are displayed. Okay, fine, and NgClass is also working fine. Okay, now, but now these things are not filtered. They all emails are coming, isn't it? We'll filter it using the custom pipe that we used yesterday. That is okay, that's fine. But before that, let's style this table. Okay, I can open this here. Yeah, so that we can see it clearly. Okay, till then let's write the style for table. So for the table, what I do is we have this active inactive. Okay, okay, fine, I'll write it here. So the table, what I want to do, I'll give some margin top. This is not needed, I think. How is it looking? Yeah, we need this. It is fixed to the top. So margin top, I'll give something like 20 px. Now it is looking fine. Little bit of gap. And then what happened here? Why this is occupying so much space? Maybe some Mozilla issue. It's happening here as well. Okay, we'll see that later on. Don't worry. First, let's style the table. Then we'll come back to this. So margin top, and I want to apply the border collapse. Border collapse is collapse. Okay, fine. Table is looking fine. Something happened here. Okay. Maybe that was the side panel, right? So did I do some mistake here? Main was display flex start. Mm, what is this extra thing? The main, which is the side panel. Okay, side panel is having main this and this. Okay, okay. Let me put this. Okay, fine, no problem. We'll leave it for now. We'll see it later on, but that is not an issue. Let's complete the functionality. So this table, I want to give some what it is called styling to the header. Okay, so what is this inbox.html? So here in the tr, I want to have a class like heading. Okay, so heading I can apply some style here. Table list area. So heading I can use the same background color that was here. Let's make it a little bit lighter. Yeah. Okay, fine. So this is how it will look like. Now we need to apply the filters. Okay, because table is displayed, but when I click on project team, only project team mail should be shown. When I click on HR team, only HR team mail should be shown. And when I click on finance team, only finance team mail should be shown. Now it is showing every email, like from inbox finance, inbox HR, inbox project, all teams emails from all teams are being shown. Okay, so let's create the pipe for that custom pipe that we used yesterday. Same custom pipe we will use for filtering this data. So in the app, I'll create a pipe. So the name of the pipe is filter mails. Okay, so this filter mails we will so filter mails, what it will do, it will filter mails again. I have to declare it here in the declaration. Filter mails pipe. Okay, now as we saw yesterday, filter mails was taking two arguments, one the whole array and sorry, not two arguments. It was taking two parameters. The the value part. This value part was yesterday the whole array. Here also it will be the whole array, and in argument we will pass some uh, text, like if it is project team, then all show all project teams, like that. Okay, so here what I will do, I'll write the conditions. If args equal to what is that, project, then what I need to do is I need to filter it from the value. So return value dot filter, because value will be the whole array. Value dot filter. Here I write something like mail equal to, again return mail dot team equal to project. Okay, so this is the thing we need to repeat for all the cases. So this is one case, this is second case, this is third case. So instead of project, I'll write HR, and here HR. So RD is this in capitals? Let me check. Yeah, it is in capital. Okay, fine. Then this one is finance. This one is also finance. So it will return the values like this. Okay. So now at the end, I need to return the value. If nothing happens, it will return value. Okay, fine. Now we need to apply this thing there. But what is this args? We have to decide these args. Okay. So here, where is that? It is in the inbox component, right? Yeah. So here we need a, we will apply the pipe here. That is okay. We'll apply the pipe like this. What is that? Filter mails pipe. But we have to pass one argument. So what will be that argument? That should be a property in our component. If you don't have it, it will again throw error. So let me name some property. What name should I give? Like selected team. Okay. So selected team. This property is not there in the component. Okay. So I have to make it in the, I have to create it here. So selected team, where I should show, here I can show. Selected team is of type string, and initially it is project. Okay. By default it is project. So project. But when I click on the buttons, it should change. Okay. So what I do is, just before doing the this dot show table, I just write this dot selected team is equal to project. Then same line, I'll just copy and paste it in the three methods. So this one is HR, and here it will be finance. I think that's done. So what will happen here now, when I click on these tabs? Oh, something happened. What happened? Okay, let's see. Pipe is kept here. Hmm. Filter mails pipe. Filter mails pipe. Okay, fine. Now it is working fine. So here you can see. Yeah. What happened? Why it is taking so much time? Okay, fine. It's not loading. So here we can see, here itself we can see. So when I click on inbox, project team, HR team, and finance team, and now they are filtered. The emails are getting filtered. So when it is HR team, it is showing only HR team, and it is finance, it is showing only finance team emails. Okay, like that. But when I so there is a thing here, small thing. When I start the application, nothing is displayed. So what I can do is, by default, please display the inbox component. I can say this to Angular. Okay. So for that, I just need to add an extra route in the routing. Okay. So let me show you how to do that. In the routing, where is the routing? This is the routing. So here, what I can do is, in the children, I can add another thing like this. So what I will write here is, when the path is blank, what I should do is, it should redirect to inbox. Okay, when the path is blank, it should follow this path, inbox path. Okay, so we have a thing called redirect to. Okay, redirect to inbox. Okay, and we need to write one more thing, that is called path match. Path match should be full. Okay, so now what is happening? By default, inbox will be shown. Even if I don't give the path, it will always take the inbox path. Okay, so inbox path is shown, and these things are there. Okay, fine. So that's it for today. We'll do some extra things on this application tomorrow. Okay, so sent also, just try to display, because sent emails are already there in the service file. Okay, so create some sent mails, just random mails, and just directly display it in the sent component. No need of filters, no need of this kind of these project team, HR team. Only one table should be there. Put the sent mails there. That's it, and we'll create something extra tomorrow. Okay. Okay, then. Do you have any doubt, Jayshankar?
No, sir, I'm good. Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah. So we'll see the rest tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So recording, when can we expect?
I'll reach institute. Okay. Wait.